and music everywhere, Peru to Senegal. I'll hum it, drum it, I'm the ghost of Faffner. Music high, music low, hold on, not a ball. With me around, sounds above, the ghost of Faffner Hall. Music for a tuba, and drum, a voice of air. Come ideas and bring your ears, and you can play as well. Sound and music everywhere, to fill and thrill us all. With me around, sounds above, the ghost of
Come on, you can do it. I know it.
The meadows having fun, hunting rabbits with the dog and a gun. Think how different it would be if the rabbits had guns and the dog chased me. I'm down by the sea with a rod and line, catching fish for the man of mine. That man of mine, he can't swim. It's the joy of the fish eat him. Night can be as bright as day, and day as dark as night. Black turns by degrees to grey, and grey turns to white. Up in the meadows and down by the sea, think how different it could be. Better watch out for what you do. If it happens to them, it could happen to you. Yeehaw!
Actually, if you get it's yeehaw, but it's not bad for your first crack at country.
Oh, why, thank you, Mimi dear. Oh,
Ta-da!
Riff!
Mimi, wild fugetter. Guess what day it is?
Monday?
A birthday?
Someone's birthday?
You're all wrong. It's Make a New Sound Day.
Make a new sound day?
Symbol? Bowl of water? Yep, the day when we all make new sounds.
But I've never heard of it.
Me neither.
I know, I just made it up.
make a new sound day. I like it. Ah!
Yes, I like it too. In fact, it is the idea of the century. Yes, everyone makes new sounds.
Ah, there it goes again. Some kind of horrible modern music. I've told them to stop, but what do they care? I'm just the owner of this place. I'll show them. Oh, for heaven's sake, open up! No! There it is! My very own robot! Just like in the catalogue. Guaranteed to do what I say. Well, I'm going to get it to throw out all the musicians around here. Robot, come out. Stop. Now, say hello to your master.
Hello to your master.
Go forward. Stop. Go backwards. Stop. Now, jump up and down. Now say, Marcus Faffner is perfect.
Marcus Faffner is perfect.
It said it! It said it! It does everything I say. Oh, I've got a friend. Oh, for heaven's sake, stop jumping up and down. Now, I'll have to give you a name. Let's see. Darkus. Barkus. No. I know. Marcus. Farkas and Marcus. Right, come on, Marcus. You're going to help me get rid of all the musicians in Faffner Hall.
Get rid of all musicians in Faffner Hall.
Not that way. This way. Go through the door. I think I'm going to have to watch what I say.
Oh, no, that's no good. I made that sound before.
I think Make a New Sound Day has come to a screeching halt. We've run out of new sounds already.
Oh, well, it's hardly surprising, Mimi dear. The voice can make many wonderful sounds. But but there is a limit.
Yes, the same thing applies to an instrument. Ah, yes, there's a limit to the sounds you can make.
So is Make a New Sound Day biting the dust before it even leaves the corral?
I beg your pardon?
How are we gonna make new sounds?
That's an interesting sound.
Now, I know this is your first day, but I want to see you working. Stop! Get rid of musicians.
Get rid of musicians.
I love it! Great minds think alike.
Hello, Mr. Faffner.
Musicians! Fetch! Hey, what's the big idea?
Who are you?
Get rid of musicians. Get rid of musicians.
Now there's a sound I like. The sound of musicians being thrown out. With Marcus to do all the dirty work, I'll soon be rid of every last one of them. Then Faffner Hall will be mine. All mine! I can't help it!
Did you hear that?
Yes, and I wish I hadn't.
He's got a robot, and it's getting rid of all the musicians.
And soon it's going to get rid of us.
Still, I have to tell you, it made some interesting sounds.
Riff!
Well, it did.
Farkas is a disgrace to the name of Faffner. Imagine if the hall belonged to someone who wanted us to make new sounds.
I can't.
That's because you haven't tried, Mimi dear.
Well, all right. I'll try. Wait a minute. I'm imagining something. Listen to that.
Ah, maintenant un peu de ça là, ici, voilà. An ambition of this. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Le téléphone. Who is this?
May I speak to Monsieur Patrick Moraz, Silvu's plate?
This is Patrick Moraz, and I'm the new owner of Faffner Hall.
So you're the one making all those fantastic sounds. It's great having you as our new director.
And who is this?
Mimi, I'm your new secretary.
My secretary.
And sounding board.
Oh, that sounds reasonable. And my intention is to fill this whole hall with sound. Listen to this. Et maintenant, la symphonie Faffner fantastique.
What do you think of that?
That was wonderful, Mimi dear.
Yeah, you sure do have some imagination. Imagine a boss who loves sounds.
Imagine a boss without a robot.
You know something? Thinking about those sounds has given me an idea. If we can't make any more new sounds with the instruments we've got, why don't we make an instrument that can make new sounds? Why don't we make a synthesizer?
Now that's what I call an idea.
Yeah, but how? I mean, where would we get the components?
Well, Farkas does have a robot, and a robot is electronic.
It's also dangerous. If we get near it, it'll throw us out.
Oh, details.
Wait a minute. Even a robot couldn't throw a ghost out, could it?
No.
Leave the robot to me. Heave 'em, deave 'em, leave 'em.
What's she up to?
I don't know, but I think I like it.
Stop. Now remember, get rid of musicians.
Get rid of musicians.
The ones I really want to get rid of are Mimi,
Mimi.
Riff,
Riff.
and the Wild Impresario.
Wild Impresario.
I love it! Oh, and of course there's Fugetta.
Fugetta.
Can't wait to get rid of her.
Flaunt 'em, daunt 'em, haunt 'em.
Oh, hello, Fugetta.
Farkas, did I by any chance hear you mention my name?
Yes, as a matter of fact, I've been looking for you. Go on, Marcus, get her.
So this is Farkas.
Yes, he's my new robot. Say hello to Fugetta, Marcus.
Hello to Fugetta, Marcus.
Oh, Farkas, a robot. Whatever will you think of next?
Stop laughing. Right, go on, Marcus, get rid of her.
Come on, Marcus.
Hey, Fugetta!
Now there's a new sound for Make a New Sound Day. The sound of a robot falling downstairs. Over to you.
Marcus, say you're all right.
You're all right.
You'll pay for this, Fugetta. Oh, let's see. Insert circuit card K into appropriate slot, making sure dip switches are in manual mode configuration. What does that mean?
There are our components.
Bye-bye, robot. Hello, synthesizer. Mr. Faffner?
What?
We heard that your robot's sick.
Yes, and it's all Fugetta's fault.
Oh, poor robot. You know sometimes that ghost just goes too far.
Exactly.
Yes, and when I fix Marcus, I'll fix her. You'll see.
Do you want some help? Holy cow, Mr. Faffner. These circuit boards are all cracked. They're no good.
They're not?
And who patched that chip in there?
What chip where?
But don't worry, everything should be all right if I could just redefine the parameters of your potentiometer here. Riff, hold that thing over there, okay?
Right,
Now, if I just twist this wire here, take these out. There you go, Mr. Faffner. Your robot should be as good as new.
Oh, as good as gone.
Marcus, speak to me.
If you have any more problems, just let us know.
Are you all right, Marcus? What's that? Marcus, where are you going? Marcus, come back here!
Yep. With the components we borrowed from Farkas and your old computer, Wild, we ought to be able to construct us one dandy little sound-making machine.
Excellent! Fantastic! We'll have so many new sounds, we may have to extend Make a New Sound Day into Make a New Sound Week. We could even have our own anthem. Make a new sound, make a new sound, make the world go round, and make a new sound.
That was wonderful, everyone. But what about the robot?
Well, let's just say the operation was a success.
You bet. That robot will never throw out another musician.
The coast is clear.
Marcus, come back. Do as I say.
Oh no, it's the robot. Hide!
Oh, so there you are. Where have you been? Oh, you found some musicians that we missed. Good boy, get rid of them. What's he doing?
He's making sounds we've never heard before.
He's what?
New sounds for Make a New Sound Day.
Make a new sound. Marcus, where are you going now?
Now, let's see if it works.
Let's turn an old sound into a new sound.
How about the sound of my flugelhorn?
There, I've recorded a sample of the horn sound. Now I'll just turn this. Okay, and now listen.
How do synthesizers work anyway?
Well, I just happen to have the answer of the century. Watch this.
Hello, I'm Thomas Dolby, and I'm here to explain to you how a synthesizer works. This is one of my synthesizers here. You see, the word synthesizer is used to describe a number of electronic devices arranged for the purpose of sound synthesis. Synthesis is a word meaning the combining of ideas and objects into a bigger whole. In this case, the combining of sounds, electronic sounds. Sounds generated using electricity. Which means, of course, I have to switch my synthesizer on. You see, this instrument is capable of generating many hundreds of sounds, even thousands of sounds, millions of sounds, trillions of sounds, even zillions of sounds. Well, maybe not zillions. Watch closely. See, a synthesizer consists of two things, an oscillator and a filter. The oscillator controls the pitch of the sound, and the filter controls the tone of a sound. But why? Well, for the purposes of this demonstration, I'd like you to think of a synthesizer as a fly in a matchbox. Look, a fly, a matchbox, a fly in a matchbox. Now, to make this example totally 100% clear, I just happen to have a fly in a matchbox. Are you ready?
I'm ready when you are, boss.
Good. Now, I want you to imagine that the fly is an oscillator, and this box is a filter, and me, I'm electricity. And if I start to shake the box, the fly will begin to buzz.
I'm not scared. I'm not scared.
The fly will begin to buzz.
Oh, sorry. Buzz.
Good. Now, if I want to raise the pitch of my synthesizer, I give it a little bit more electricity. In other words, shake the box a little bit harder.
Oh, no. Buzz, buzz.
And then the harder I shake the box, the higher the pitch.
I think I'm going to be sick. Buzz, buzz.
You're going to be sick?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine.
But you're doing fine. Now, listen to what happens if I shake the box and open it at the same time.
Oh, no, not the opening part. What if I fall out?
See, the tone gets a little bit harsher.
Buzz,
And the more I open the box, the harsher the tone becomes.
help.
Help?
Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Good, good. Now, and as I close the box, the tone becomes a bit more mellow, and the pitch becomes a bit lower.
Buzz, buzz.
The pitch becomes a bit lower.
Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Good, good. Now, so don't get confused by oscillators and wires and all that scientific stuff. Just listen, it's really a lot simpler than you'd think. You ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Should we do it?
Yeah.
All right, go for it. Here we go. When I'm dancing next to her, I can hear machinery. Go. Yep. Yeah, do it again. Science! That's great.
Buzz!
That's very good. Where did you learn to do that?
Well, I just wing it normally.
That's the best explanation I've ever heard.
Okay, I'm ready. I can make music without playing anything.
You mean without any instruments?
Only the computer. Musical instruments are extensions of the body, and this here is an extension of the mind. I just type in information, and it turns it into music.
So you mean you, the composer, have never even heard your own composition?
Nope. I think I'll call it Cosmic Kangaroos.
Come back!
It's the robot! We thought it was our gardener!
You thought wrong.
Oh, so there you are. Listen, more music coming from that machine. Ah, so Marcus, you came in here to destroy it, didn't you? Good one.
That robot is making music!
Well, what do you know?
Very nice indeed, Marcus.
Stop! Stop! Oh, if you won't destroy this horrible machine, then I will.
No, you won't. I'm afraid I must get rid of you.
But you're not supposed to get rid of me. You're supposed to get rid of them. I'm your master.
No, you're not. She is. She saved my life.
How sweet.
Now I must get rid of you.
What? But I'm the owner of this hall, and I'm her master, so I order her to order you not to get rid of me.
Hold on, Marcus. What do you think, Riff? Mr. Faffner, I will tell Marcus not to get rid of you if you will let him be the star in our Make a New Sound Day concert.
Oh, all right. But one day you'll pay for this, and that goes for you too, you bag of chips.
Well done, Mimi.
So what about our concert?
Yes, will you be the star, Marcus? And if so, what are your terms? I'd like to drop the contract immediately.
Yes, I will be your star, and my terms are that for Make a New Sound Day, we will fill Faffner Hall with electronic music.
It's a deal!